The question that we all have is, how long will it be before we see prices beginning to increase again? Well, we've already begun to see that in the under $300,000 market. Right now, 80% of the homes and condominiums selling in South Florida are priced under $300,000. Whoever dreamed that we would see that large a percentage of our homes selling in prices that before this period were considered our low-priced homes. But today, 8 out of every 10 sales that are being made in Miami-Dade and Broward County are priced under $300,000. So those prices have already begun to firm up. In the higher price ranges, we still probably have a little more settling before we'll get to a leveling point in our market. But what is giving our buyers still some concern is the shadow market, the number of foreclosures that might still be coming, and especially the higher prices. But we are beginning now to see even those sales happen in greater numbers. When you look at the over $1 million market in our county, we're up about 65% in sales over last year. A surprising statistic there is that our $1 million plus condos are actually outselling our $1 million plus homes right now. Now, that doesn't take away any value from $1 million plus homes, single family homes. It just simply means that more of our buyers are opting for the condominium lifestyle. Today, across Miami-Dade County and Broward County, about 52% of all the transactions that we make are condominiums versus single family homes. We try to help our buyers differentiate between 3 types of housing today: the real estate owned housing, the foreclosure that banks are trying to sell; the short sales where the homeowner has a mortgage greater than the value, so we're bringing offers to banks to try to short sell those before they go into foreclosure; and the third are the non-distressed properties. Right now in South Florida, about 35% of all of our sales are foreclosures. 22% of all of our sales are short sales. So that means that 57% of all the sales that are being made right now in Miami-Dade and Broward County are distressed properties, which leaves 43% of our sales that are non-distressed properties. If you look at the single-family market in Miami-Dade County alone, the distressed property median price today, the foreclosure median price today is only $120,000. The median price for a short sale is only $168,000. But when you get to the non-distressed properties, that median price is $292,000. So many of our buyers are now saying, you know, I would rather just look at the non-distressed properties because I know that those are homes in most cases where I can move right in and not have to deal with a lot of repairs or updating. So I think that when you're looking for a home, you need to know that you really have 3 pools to look in: the REO properties, the foreclosures, the short sale properties, and the non-distressed properties. And what we're seeing is more and more of our buyers are opting for that non-distressed property because those values, while those values are down considerably from where we were 5 years ago, they don't have the problems that you have with some of the distressed properties.